welcome back to the moon. And if it's your first time here, hi, I'm Rena, and this is the moon. So recently somebody really close to me told me she was moving to a country that is a little bit colder than where we are right now. So I took this as an opportunity to shop a little Etsy store that I've been eyeing for a while called NatAndStitches. She creates a lot of knitted and crocheted work that are super cute. So I was super happy that I got to shop in her store finally. I got a few things to gift to this person that I love very, very much, and I got a few for myself, of course, as well. But I did wait to open this up in camera for all of you to see. So without further ado, let's open the bag. Okay, first of all, this is super well packaged. So thank you, Nat, for this. Ooh, the first thing I opened is a really nice knitted bandana. It tends to cover your ears over here. And it's a super really cute red color. Okay, second item, I am totally in love. This is a nice knitted bandana as well. I ordered it in 3 colors. This is the ivory version. It looks super well done. The stitches are super well made. I'll be zooming in that later for you. Third and last of the colors is that same knitted bandana. It goes all around your head, it covers your ears, and this one is in a gradient from brown to ivory. As you can see, she gradients this pattern. It looks so good. Now you outdid yourself. Next in the series of head stuff, we have a nice little slouchy beanie with a little pom-pom on the top. It's also brown to ivory gradient. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna try this out for you guys. Next, this one is for me. I am totally in love with this color. I'll definitely be opening and trying this on for you soon. This is a scarf that goes gradient from turquoise to ivory and has nice little pom-poms on the bottom. And this is for my friends, and this one is that same scarf, but pink to gray gradient and the pom-poms on the bottom. This is super cute and looks so cozy. And last but not least, I have a set of crochet scrunchies that I was totally in love with and I needed to have one for myself. It brings 2. One of it is a gradient burgundy to pink and the other one is fully pink. And I just opened this up to realize that she gifted me a few things as well. She included here as a little gift with a little thank you note. A set of earrings, crochet earrings, super cute. A set of tassel earrings that are so adorable. I think my friend is gonna fight me for these. And a little keychain donut in turquoise, which is my favorite color. Nat, you totally and completely outdid yourself, and thank you for this wonderful thank you note. She personalizes her sales. And this is like the cutest touch that you can have when you shop any store at all. That's why I love shopping handmade small businesses, because they tend to be really thankful when you do a purchase for them. So thank you, Nat, for all these wonderful and completely
funny moment for the battery to die, so voiceover Rena will be taking over for now. I was just saying that I was super thankful, super happy with everything that I received. Everything was super cute, super well done, so cozy. My friend was extremely happy when she received everything and is currently wearing them in the country she moved to. and enjoying it. I hope she keeps enjoying it for much, much longer. And thank you, Nat, from Nat and Stitches, from doing such a great job and for packaging everything so well and for giving me that thank you note that I was really, really thankful to receive. I will be linking her Etsy shop down below if you want to shop her store. She keeps doing such cute things. And I will see you all on the next one. Hopefully my battery doesn't die on me then. Bye!